Hey dear food lovers! Welcome to Healthy Daily Hacks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts and taste buds: how to trim those calories while still savoring every bite. Prepare to unveil the secrets of cutting calories without giving up the flavors you crave. Did you know that even small changes in your eating habits can add up to big calorie savings? That's right. We're about to explore some genius tricks that'll have you enjoying your favorite dishes guilt-free. So, grab your apron, and let's get started. 1. First up, let's talk about the foundation of your meal, the base. Instead of calorie-rich creamy sauces or heavy starches, opt for alternatives like cauliflower rice, zoodles, that's zucchini noodles, or even lettuce wraps. These swaps add a satisfying crunch or a hearty bite without piling on the calories. 2. Flavor boosters, not calorie busters. Who said cutting calories means sacrificing flavor? Not us. Experiment with herbs, spices, and citrus zest to enhance taste without adding excess calories. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of lemon juice can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. 3. Embrace the power of portion control. Portion sizes can make or break your calorie count. Use smaller plates and bowls to trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food. And hey, seconds are always an option if you're still hungry. 4. Sip smartly. Quench your thirst with water or herbal tea before meals. Not only will you stay hydrated, but you'll also naturally reduce your appetite, making it easier to avoid overeating. 5. Mindful munching. Eating mindfully is key. Slow down, savor each bite, and give your brain a chance to catch up with your belly. You'll find that you need less food to feel satisfied. And there you have it, savvy foodies. Sneaky ways to trim calories without sacrificing the incredible flavors you adore. Don't let cutting calories become a flavorless adventure. Let your taste buds dance while your waistline stays happy. If you enjoyed these tips and want more flavorful hacks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Join our Healthy Daily Hacks community for more mouth-watering wisdom and wellness tips. Until next time, remember, delicious doesn't have to mean heavy on calories. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on hacking.